Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. For today I have this design that was a suggestion from a subscriber here to the channel. Thank you so much to suggest this design. I made here the drawings that you need to follow these instructions. If you want to download, the link is the first link of the description. Let's start this project creating a new design. Create sketch, select the first plane and create a circle with 15 millimeters, another circle with 25 millimeters here, and another circle with 15 millimeters. Create here on the circle another with 5 millimeters diameter and another here with 5 millimeters. Constrain this with this horizontally and this other vertically. We can cut that here and here, here and here. Now select the circular pattern, select these two objects and the center point. Repeat 6 times here and finalize cutting these parts that exceed here, here, and another one here. Create a polygon, but in this time change the line type to construction here and here. Return to a normal. Constrain that line vertically. Create an arc 3 points here and here. This needs to be 40 millimeters radius. Repeat that with the circular center point 6 times. Create another circle with 15 millimeters and make that tangent with the arcs, and the center point needs to be constrained with that center point here. Cut these lines and repeat one more time this arc 6 times. Now we have our profiles. You can create a vertical line that is a center line here, and the midpoint of this line with this point. We will use this line as an axle. Finish. Remove command, that profile and that profile. Select the X. Change as a half of a circle. And our object is done. You can apply some colors here, 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 and here. And now the project is done. Thank you so much for the suggestion. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.